If you look at the catalog of songs that I have here on my YouTube channel, all these songs were learned to play by ear. Do you want to play your favorite song on the saxophone, but you cannot sight read, or even if you can, you cannot find the music that you want to play because there's no sheet music for it? All right, in this video, I'm going to share with you the 4-step process that you need to learn to play any song by ear, to play your favorite song by ear. Now, a caveat here is that you need to at least know a few scales. If you don't know your scales, then you'll be holding yourself back and you won't be able to play as many songs. You'll be limited. Let's say the song is in a key where you are in D flat major. It means that the song would be pitched in the key of E, right? You are in F sharp major on soprano or tenor saxophone, and you cannot play your D flat major or your F sharp major scale, then you are going to have a hard time playing that song. Okay, now if you cannot play your major scales, you can check out this course on my website called Major Scales in 2 Hours. I'll show you how to learn any scale, whether it's major or minor, in under 10 minutes. If you are learning your scales and it's taking you longer than 10 minutes, you are practicing and you are learning your scales incorrectly. And when I say learn, I mean have all the notes memorized. You don't have to look on any sheet music, and you can play the scale using 8 notes between 60 and 120 beats on your horn in 10 minutes. If it's taking you longer than 10 minutes, you are practicing and you are learning your scales incorrectly. The link is also in the description below. So let's say you know a few scales, a handful, okay? 1 or 2 scales, then we can get working. And it doesn't matter which one of the saxophones you play, soprano, alto, tenor, or baritone. The first step in the process is what I call L, and it means to listen. So you are going to listen, and you are going to take it in 3 parts. First, you're going to listen casually. Secondly, you are going to listen deliberately. And your third round of listening is going to be to internalize what you listen. Now, the song you are trying to learn, one thing that you want to ensure is that the song has lyrics to it. That is going to make it way easier for it to stick, for you to internalize the song, so that when you move to the next stage, you can be able to move on. The second step is that of singing it. So S equals to sing, right? And so you're going to sing what you hear. You internalize it to the point where now you can sing the song. If you can't sing, then you hum. Let's say you were learning one of Bob's songs, right? And the song is One Love. One love, one heart. Okay, now if you can't sing, you can just hum. Or da da, da da da, la la. La la la, mama, mama, ma, ba ba, ba ba ba. Get the point? Then now you are going to go to P, and P means play or practice. Now, how you're going to do this is not to try learning the entire song in one go. That is going to defeat you in the process. What you want to do is use some type of software and you loop that first section. One love, that's it. Okay, you loop that section, and once you loop that section, then you are going to play those notes and match them with the notes on your saxophone. Okay, and you match that. So you play and you practice. Once you learn that part, you move on to another phrase or you move to another section, and you keep doing that until you get to the end. Then that brings us to the 4th step, which is to repeat it. So what you do at the front, you repeat the 2nd time, the 3rd time, the 4th time, and you keep going until you reach the end of the song and you put it all together, right? So learn phrase 1, move on from phrase 1, learn phrase 2, go back to phrase 1 and put the 2 together. So you're repeating, okay? So you're rinsing and you're repeating. And then what you want to do with your R as well is that you are going to record yourself. Now you may ask me, why is that important? Because when you record what you have played, then you can match it with what you heard to ensure you are, 1, you're in the right key, 2, you're hitting the correct notes. Now, do not try any improvisation. That's not going to help you. What you want to do is try to play the melody exactly how the singer sings it. The more you can get that pat down, the better you will get at playing by ear. When you're learning to play by ear, don't try to improvise around the notes. So you have to do the work in order to learn the melody in the song, to learn the phrases. After you have learned them, then you can always step outside of the box and add your embellishments and your ad-libs and so on to color the music. It's like if you go to a community to live and it's your first day or first week, you are going to learn one route, true, to get in and to get out, especially if it's in a city where you have many roads and many cross sections and so on. After you've been there for a while, then you can learn other ways to get to your home and to get out of your home to your work and back. That's how I think about improvisation. Learn the melody of the song, right? You learn the melody, learn it just the way it is, and then you can always improvise around it. Now, if you want me to truly demonstrate and to help you how to learn to play by ear, then you can check out my course on my website at www.kadrianthomas.com. My course, Play by Ear 101, and it doesn't matter which saxophone you play. I'll show you the process. You can take that and you can learn to play any song by ear so that you don't have to be stuck in front of a piece of sheet music. Or if you can't find the sheet music, like for me, I play a lot of reggae and there's no sheet music for it. So if you look at the catalog of songs that I have here on my YouTube channel, all these songs were learned to play by ear, and that's where you want to be, whether you're playing jazz, you're playing R&B, or you're playing pop or reggae, where you can play songs by ear. It will add to your ability in playing the saxophone. I've left the link in the description below so you can check that. And as always, saxo friend, push play until something happens. Peace.